Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Goa empowers Atletico de Kolkata to victory over FC Goa at Fatarda. Cavin Lobo scores twice to keep Kolkata on top. Goa Cricket Association Managing Committee wants strict action against Secretary Cavin Desai. GCA fighting to avoid administration paralysis. Police raid BDO office of Mormugaon, Panchayats of Chikli, Sankwal and Majorda. Raid after BDO suspension for asking 25,000 rupees to pay ages fees. Ponda police nabs a tempo driver from Kaule in Sanatan Ashram attack case. Kaulekars protest at police station demand ban on Sanatan Sanstha. And no event in Goa or India in recent future. Tomorrowland clears on official website, says its priority is Brazil and Belgium Fest right now. And now the news in detail. Cavin Lobo's brace enabled Atletico de Kolkata to score a hard-fought 2-1 victory over FC Goa in the Indian Super League on Thursday evening. The 26-year-old former Sporting Club and Dampo midfielder scored late in second half to take Kolkata to victory. FC Goa were leading till the 72nd minute through the first half goal by Andre Santos. This was the third victory for Kolkata in 4 matches, while Goa are yet to win a game in the ISL.
Wonderful stadium, up got the fireworks, what a way to celebrate Diwali.
At FC Goa and Atletico de Kolkata, who will be no doubt about it, Atletico de Kolkata have been one of the best sides in the competition so far. And danger here, two in the area, big chance for the first goal. It is rattled into the net, it's a magnificent strike.
Fair play to Goa, they've capitalised on it. That bit of management.
Moment in there, including Gregory, the man with the plaster over the eye. There's still a chance here, the shot is hard and low, and it must go, it's gone through. On course at the moment for what would be their first win in the Hero Indian Super League. Martins makes a move. It's another swinger, which enables the keeper to come. He had all the time in the world to come and time that for the catch. And then throws it straight to Perez. Well, his teammates won't thank him if they score from this. That was a really poor goalkeeping. The flag stays down, but this could well be the equaliser. It is. Kolkata are level and the Goa crowd is absolutely stunned here.
Oh, just a lovely flick on. Vicar involved in the making of the goal this time.
Let's have a look at this. Knocked in here. They thought the chance had gone. Fikru went for it there. What a night for the Indian. He's the first Indian player to score 2 in the Super League.
John, that is a goal to grace any league.
After that lengthy injury stoppage. They've got to be quick about it if we're going to get this equaliser. Here's the chance though. It's inside that danger 18-yard area. Good run. It tricks, the ball will surely come loose.
The Goa Cricket Association Managing Committee headed by Vice President Dr. Shekhar Salkar has resolved to take action against Secretary Cavin Desai for acting against the laws of the association. Under fire, President Balu Phadke, Secretary Cavin Desai and their supporting group members were not present for the meeting. The Managing Committee also took important decisions like appointing an arbitrator to sort internal disputes, increasing grants for clubs and restarting the scheme of incentives for state cricketers.
This is the scene at the GCA Academy ground at Porvorim on Thursday afternoon. State cricketers are preparing for the new season, which begins next month with limited overs matches in Hyderabad. But to keep cricket going, the Managing Committee is struggling big time. Vice President Dr. Shekhar Salkar's group is trying their best to bring a professional environment in the GCA affairs, while President Balu Phadke's supporters have not even attended this Managing Committee meeting. Allegations fly thick and fast as the managing committee slams Secretary Chetan Desai and Balu for creating a chaotic situation in the GCA.
Reply filed by Honorable Secretary Shri Chetan Desai on behalf of GCA to show cause notice served by SAG on GCA and petition filed in High Court of Mumbai at Panji for staying the investigation order are authorized and whereof permission or information of managing committee members. Therefore, all members present in the meeting has demanded strict action against him for bypassing and ignoring the bylaws of the association.
Balu jana sangta ki he will go to the court. There is a scandal in the Sangeng ground. I don't think it is anything in that. When the ground was purchased during that past committee, he was the vice president and he was sanctioned. He was there for in that meeting. So त्यांनी ऑब्जेक्शन घालपाचें. हे फक्त लोकांक दिशाभूल करपाची.
गोवा रणजी ट्रॉफी टीम आनी मडगांव आनी पणजी आनी हे पयलीं हे जाताले पळय कोटा सिस्टम तो बंद केल्लो. हे 50,000 अजून पसून प्लेयरांक पावना. आनी एवरी टायम बाळू फडके हांव नांव घेवन सांगता बाळू फडके ओपोजीस दिसते. प्लेयरांक कितें दिवपा जाल्यार ओपोज करता, क्लबांक कितें दिवपा जाल्यार ओपोज करता. प्रत्येक फाटी ताका प्लेयर क्लबाचे प्रेसिडेंट आनी सेक्रेटरी हांगा आयिल्ले नाका.
Dr. Salkar hinted at the possible sacking of Secretary Chetan Desai.
Chetan Desai, so-called administrator, has never completed his term. Never. History has shown he has never completed his term as secretary. First he was sacked by Vijay Chowgule that time. Then he was sacked by Dayanand Narvekar last time because of precisely same thing.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Omkar Farari from Porori.
Police raided BDO office of Mormugao on Thursday. Vasco, Mormugao and Verna police also raided panchayats of Chikli, Sankwal and Majodda. The raid was conducted after a complaint was filed regarding missing pages from minute book of Chikli Panchayat. Relevant documents were seized from panchayat offices. BDO Mohini Halankar had asked for 25,000 rupees from each of respective panchayats to pay Advocate General for hearing of a Sankwal Panchayat case. Mohini Halankar has been suspended from her duties. Vasco, Mormugao and Verna police raided Mormugao BDO along with Majodda, Chikli and Sankwal Panchayats. Police seized some documents from the panchayats.
15 तारखेक आमकां विलेज पंचायत चिखलेचो सेक्रेटरी फळदेसाय हांणी कंप्लेंट दिली की त्यांच्या प्रोसिडींग बुकांतले 2 पेजी पिजून गेले. तेणी पयलीं अननोन मनशाचेर दिल्ली आनी तेज्या उपरांत तेणी 1-2 दिसांनी दुसऱ्या दिसा 1-2 दिसांनी आनी एक कंप्लेंट दिली की वेरीन तेणी BDOचें नांव सांगलें BDO मोर्मुगांव आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमकां आनी खूब तेणी फर्दर डिटेल्स दिली आमकां पर्टेनिंग टू दॅट केस. ताका लागून आमी आतां सायमल्टेनियसली सगळ्या चिखले पंचायत ऑफिसान सर्टन डॉक्युमेंट्स अटॅच करपाक एक टीम गेले. सिमिलरली माजोड्डा पंचायत आनी आमची एक सांकवाळे पंचायत आनी हांगासर BDO ऑफिसान आमकां जे डॉक्युमेंट जे इनवर्ड आनी आउटवर्ड रजिस्टर एक ना जालां म्हटलें तेंच्यांनी. ताका लागून आमी हें सर्च मारलें.
RTI activist Narayan Naik had filed a PIL in the High Court, following which this entire scam came to fore. BDO Mohini Halankar had demanded 25,000 rupees from 3 panchayats as fees to Advocate General for hearing a case pertaining to a panchayat.
BDO अंकित केला टॅक्टीक आपली यूज केली आणि तितून तांकां इन्वॉल्व करून घेतले आणि तेंचे कडल्यान ते पयशे हडप केल्ले आसा. पण जी वास्कोची मार्माबा तालुक्याची जी व्हिडिओ आशिल्ली तेणी ते आपले तकलेन पयशे यूज केले आनी हेजी जे फ्रॉड लेटर तयार केले आनी ते लेटर जेन्ना म्हाका आयटीआयचे इन्फॉर्मेशन गावले तेन्ना हांवें ते सगळे नजरेक हाडून दिले मिडियाच्या कळ्ळें आनी तेन्ना तेजेर रावता सगळो इन्क्वायरी जो प्रोसेस चालू आसा तेजे वयल्यान ती इन्क्वायरी प्रोसेस चालू जाल्लो आसा.
It is known that few officers can be arrested following disappearance of inward-outward register in the BDO office. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.